What we have here is a real life situation. I just woke up. Obviously, I'm looking rather disheveled right now. I don't always look like, well, maybe I do. We're going to pretend I don't always look like this. And we're doing this because I've received a lot of questions pertaining to the beard struggle and their infamous heated beard brush. So what we're going to do, we're going to put it to the test, and we're going to try to straighten out what's going on here with my beard. I have it heated up to 200 degrees Celsius, and that's about 392 degrees Fahrenheit. I think I might have to, you might have to double check on that, but I believe it's 392 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, please excuse my lack of side beard. If you don't know, in a previous video, I tried doing a extended goatee, so I brought my cheek line all the way down to my jaw. I personally didn't like it, so I'm letting it grow back out. So that's the reason for this right here. But enough talk, more action. We have the beard brush heated up to 200 degrees Celsius. That's 392 degrees Fahrenheit. To be more efficient with it, make sure that your strokes are nice and slow when you go down. Now, I probably should do one side and then the other. That way you can actually see the difference between the two. This is taking no time whatsoever, and you can already tell the difference, or at least I can already tell the difference with how straight the beard is on this side. I'll do a couple more strokes. Remember, nice and slow. I was probably going a little too fast. Again, I'm fairly new to these myself, and the fact that I'm able to straighten out my beard, it means a lot, being that I don't usually do this. There we go. Go down here, straighten this out. All right, now we're going up underneath the beard to add length, or actually to accentuate the length of my beard. Nice and slow on the way down. That's one thing that I have to remember to do, is to go slow with it. And the great thing about this is there's some guys that they use a brush and a blow dryer, but with this, all you need is the one tool, and it does the job very easily as well. We have this side right here. Check out that length. And this side, actually, you know what? Let me close the door. I had to open up the door because it's getting warm in here. So there's a length on this side. And then here is the untouched side. That's still bedhead, if you will. Bed beard. All right. So there you have it. I have the one side done right here. And here is the untouched side. There is obviously a difference of length, especially when you're looking at this straight on. So yeah, so for those of you that do want to just switch it up a little bit, add a little length to your beard, or actually kind of accentuate the length that you already have, definitely look into a straightener, a beard straightener. And I mean, the one from Beard Struggle definitely works. This is obvious, and that should answer the question pertaining to whether or not this actually works. And evidently it does. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to finish straightening out the whole beard, so then you can have a kind of, I guess, a full before and after view of the entire beard. Dang, this is crazy. Check out the length of my beard prior to using the straightener. Now, look at the length of my beard now. So all in all, this, I mean, in my opinion, the Beard Struggle heated beard brush has definitely passed the test and does work in regard to straightening out your beard. I hope this helps you out. Cheers.